Hey, what's up guys? Tech Jake here, and if you're looking for a powerful, professional-grade projector that can handle just about anything you throw at it, presentations, events, video walls, you're gonna want to check this out. I'm talking about the NEC NP-PA1004UL-B 3D Ready LCD laser projector. And if you're thinking, oh, just another projector. Nope. This one packs some seriously impressive specs and features. Plus, if you want it at a heavy discount, the link is in the description. Check it out. First off, this thing is a beast when it comes to brightness. We're talking 10,000 lumens of output, which means you're getting bright, clear images even in well-lit rooms. It's laser-powered, so you're looking at top-tier reliability and durability. It also supports 4K at 60 frames per second, HDR10, and BT.2020. So, if you're running 4K content, you're getting rich colors, deep blacks, and seriously sharp detail. No compromises. Now, you might be wondering, does all that power mean it's gonna sound like a jet engine? Nope. NEC's got you covered with a sealed LCD cooling system. It's whisper quiet, making it perfect for spaces where you need minimal noise. Think conference rooms, classrooms, or even home theaters. Installation. Super flexible. It supports roll-free mounting, motorized lens options, and built-in edge blending and stacking features. That means you can link multiple projectors together for massive, seamless displays. Pretty cool, right? Connectivity on this projector is next level. It's got HD-based input and repeater capabilities. So you're getting uncompressed full HD video, audio, Ethernet, and power all through a single cable. No clutter. No headaches. And for those who love smart integrations, it supports DisplayNote, Crestron Room View, AMX Beacon, and more. Control your setup with ease, no constant reprogramming. Some other features worth mentioning. Vortex Technology Plus for incredible color accuracy, picture-in-picture for multi-frame displays, and advanced video wall controls through the on-screen display. Basically, this thing is designed to make your life easier and your presentation stand out. And hey, if you accidentally unplug it, no worries, it's got built-in protections to keep your lamp safe. So yeah, if you need a projector that combines power, flexibility, and cutting-edge features, the NEC NP-PA1004UL-B is a solid choice. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for a huge discount. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, and of course, hit subscribe for more tech reviews, unboxings, and all things awesome. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you in the next one.